Привет! It's Coffee Break Russian with me, Olga. Today we're going to look at paper 1 of the Russian GCSE exam. Paper 1 is called Listening and Understanding in Russian. Foundation tier is 30 minutes long plus 5 minutes reading time. I'll explain what 5 minutes means later. And the higher tier is 40 minutes long plus 5 minutes reading time. There are two sections in each paper, section A and section B. In the foundation tier, the section A is set in English and all the answers and all the questions are in English. Section B is set in Russian and all the instructions, all the questions are in Russian and the answers are expected to be in Russian. In the higher tier, it's the other way around. Section A is in Russian and all the answers are expected to be in Russian, and the section B is all set in English and the answers are in English. So, what does it mean, 5 minutes reading time? Basically, before you start listening to any of the recordings, you will have 5 minutes of reading time. This is the time for you to read through the whole paper, to look through the questions, look at the answers. You can make any notes during this time. In fact, you can make notes throughout the whole exam. This is an example of a multiple choice type of question where you need to choose 3 correct answers from a selection and put crosses in relevant boxes. And this is another multiple choice question. Looks different, but really the same. And this is another one where again you need to choose 3 correct answers. This is a different type of questions. It's called open response question. Here you need to write 1 or 2 word answers. This is an example of the third type of question in this paper. It's open response, but the answers are provided in the box. Beware, you don't need to use all the words from the box. Each question has got a title which is announced before you hear the extract. Then you are given a few seconds to read through the content of the question again. And now, how about we listen to and complete one of the tasks together?
Section A. At the tourist office. Question 1. Example. Я хочу купить книги и матрешку. Я хочу купить книги и матрешку. Question 1.
Где здесь бассейн?
Галерея далеко отсюда.
Скажите, пожалуйста, где вокзал? Где здесь бассейн?
Галерея далеко отсюда.
Скажите, пожалуйста, где вокзал?
Finally, here are some tips for you. Tip number 1. Always read all the questions very carefully before you start answering the questions. Tip number 2. Answer all the questions in the paper. Tip number 3. If you have time at the end, always check your answers. And good luck to you!